Hi, so the next foam rolling exercise we're going to show you today is how to roll out your glute muscles. So you're going to get into the same position that we showed you for stretching, but you're going to do it while sitting on the foam roller. So crossing one leg over so that your ankle is resting on your knee. Place your hands behind you, and you're going to shift your weight actually over to the leg that's up on your other one. And roll all the way up to the top of your hip and back down until you feel your sit bones. All the way up and all the way down. Roll back and forth in this position for about 10 to 15 times. And then make sure you repeat on the other side, crossing the other leg over, shifting your hips over to that side. Roll up and down on that glute muscle about 10 to 15 times. And that's it for rolling out the glutes.